Attorney Gilbert Adams is here to answer your legal questions in tonight's Ask the Attorney. Thank you so much for joining us.
For having us.
Let's get going. I'm trying to decide whether, I'm sorry, I'm jumping ahead. Help, I was involved in a fender bender. It was totally my fault, and now the people that I hit are suing me. Officially freaking out. What do I do?
Well, the most important thing is to maintain calm. It's not as big a deal as one may think. The reason you go and purchase automobile insurance, and the state requires us to have automobile insurance, is exactly for that reason. And the insurance company is responsible for hiring a lawyer to represent you and taking care of your interests that way. And I've seen this more and more where people are having to be sued because insurance companies are not taking care of the claims. But don't worry about it. Get to your insurance agent and they'll take care of it.
Now, does it help at all that, you know, this person is clearly admitting, hey, it was my fault? Does that help?
Well, it's probably not a good thing to go around admitting in public, but yeah, that usually would help the claim to be resolved quicker if there's not a bunch to dispute. If that person has admitted liability, then you're not going to be involved in lengthy litigation where it's going to take a lot of your time.
All right, fair enough. All right, question number 2. I'm trying to decide whether to hire a local attorney or an attorney from Dallas. What's your opinion?
Well,
you're going to say local.
you have to stay local. Absent some very specialized litigation or case, Beaumont has a bunch of great lawyers, and hiring a lawyer from Houston or Dallas, that's like going to play a football game in Green Bay or something. You want to stay local, and if you trust that lawyer, know that lawyer, they're going to tell you if you need to go somewhere else.
Right, and I'm sure it would be easier to deal with a lawyer close.
And cheaper.
Exactly. And last, my mom owned her own home before marrying my stepdad. After my stepdad passed away, his boys took over my mom's home. Do I have a right to take it back?
Well, it depends. It depends on whether or not she had a will or not. If she had a will, the home can go wherever she says. It go to the charity, the church, to you, or stepdad, whomever. If she did not have a will, which is more likely, then the home probably goes to you. And yes, you could ask the folks to leave and remove them legally if they did not voluntarily do so.
All right. Well, thank you so much. And of course, if you have a question you'd like to submit, just to air on the program, just email us at asktheattorney@fox4beaumont.com. Time now to check in with Greg.